Oh, you know what? Can you hear me? God damn, only one person. Hold on, let me post on here. Nice, nice. How does it look? I ain't never done this, so I ain't never done this. How's the sound? Is it echoing? Is it crazy? I just it's clear. That's dope. I just need some feedback, you know? It's perfect. Cool, cool, cool. And I can share screens and shit like that. So I think this is gonna be dope. Let me post it on my story, see if some people will check it out real quick. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I got my setup going on. I got my setup going on because we about to make some real money. But let me know. It sounds a little empty in here, don't it? From Brooklyn. Hey, that's what's up. It sounds like I need some soundproof or something. It sounds good. Oh, okay, okay. But I'm gonna show you something real quick. Where's the 1 second? Pull up YouTube free game. Okay, okay, cool. The sound is good. The sound is good. So see, I'm just I'm just now figuring this shit out, man. So look at this. So I'm gonna try and share my screen, and let's do new tab. No, let's do Discord. Let's do Discord. Wait, can y'all see the? Y'all can see the. You can see the Discord thing. You can see the Discord screen. Can we see the Discord? Oh, it's small. Okay. So how do I make it big? It's small. But why it looks so big here? Like on my end. Okay, better yet, let me do sharing. So let me do trade and view. Because that's what I'm gonna need the most. Trade and view. So okay, how this look? How the trade and view look? Nah, this is a whole okay. How trading view look? Man, let me tell you, I was looking at this. I missed out big time. But I want to know how this looks for y'all. It looks good. Like if I'm explaining to, like, can you see what I'm seeing? If I'm explaining, can you see what I'm seeing? It's clear. Okay. Like there's no glare or anything. Which one is small? The trading view? The trading view is small. Okay, so let me do this. So stop sharing. Stop sharing. Let me do this. Trading view. PM. Okay, so look at this. Share screen. How does it look now? That's why I needed more people. That's why I needed more people. But do you sharing. Look at PM. I got to work on the camera angle. Okay. X. Ah! No, because I'm trying to show the screen. The sound is off. Oh geez. this the sound the sound is off. Because I'm trying to focus on, the screen. Is good. Okay, so can y'all see PM? The camera is over here. Shit, I'm new to this YouTube shit. But you see PM? Do you see PM? The Philip Morris. Do you see the chart on the 4 hour? Because I just want to figure out how it looks from the viewer's perspective. And then I can fine tune it. It's breaking up. What the It's still breaking up. Okay. So can you see PM? Can you see Philip Morris, the chart? Because I want to make sure, like if I'm showing something, you can follow on the screen, right? Because I want my lives to be like very, very technical. I want to be able to show the screen, like I used to do on IG, but not flipping my screen and all that ghetto stuff. So I feel this will be a better look. So when I do this, can you see? When I change to daily, can you see? We good? Okay. Now, this one here, well, I feel like I'm delayed. Okay. I'm good to go. Okay then. I'm gonna trust your word. All right. So you're looking at Philip Morris, right? We on the 4 hour. Let me remove this. We on the 4 hour. This is one that I missed today, and we could have made crazy money. Actually, the setup wasn't today. The setup was yesterday. But we could have made tons of money on this. So if you're looking here on the 4 hour, right? I was just coming on here to do a test, but well, on the 4 hour, the market was doing this, right? It went up and then it started making lower lows, right? So it was being pushed down. It was bearish. So this is what was happening. This is what was happening, right? Philip Morris, 4 hours. Up, then it came down. It tried to make it back up. It came down, tried to make it back up. It came down. Then it came to a support area, right? And this zone was very, very important. And this is also an earnings play, right? So if they do beat earnings, this would actually shoot up much, much higher, possibly from like 90 to 93. And you could make stupid money on this, right? But look here. Look right here. Okay. Look at this area here. This was February, like around Valentine's Day. You notice that when price came to this zone, the 88.90 zone, it consolidated, right? It consolidated, it found support, and then it moved up. Okay. If you can't see, let me know because I'm just doing this to test. So price did this, right? It tried to move up. It ran out of steam, came down, right? And then it run up, boom, all the way to 95. Can you see that? All the way to 95. And then it started coming down, 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 down. And it came down to this same zone again. But This time around, it created a pin bar. See the at support right here. You see the pin bar at support right here. So this would have been the entry. This would have been the signal to get in. Philip Morris, knowing that earnings is around the corner, knowing that this is a big company, right? And the price action looks good. You buy low to sell high. So we would have gotten in here, right? Run it up, or even at the break of this trend line, we could have jumped in. Now we can wait for it to retrace back down if it gives us that opportunity. So if it retraces back down to here, I'll probably get back in and run it up. But this is one of those trades where you can get in one trade for the month and make a lot of money if you have enough size in the game, right? There's something that you could have bought a 90 call on this, 91 call, 92 call, and you will make a lot of money. Because I feel like it can go up, come down, and go up again. And they got earnings around the corner. So, yeah, I just seen this. I wanted to touch on it real quick. But, you know, I didn't want to do it. It's kind of late. And I'm doing my setup, trying to see how it looks and how it sounds. So I'm gonna play it back and see, but Philip Morris looks really good. And you know, we got TSM, right? TSM, I think it can do incredible. TSM got earnings tomorrow after the market closes. We got in initially, we got in somewhere here. We run it up, it came down. Now it's back at our entry, and I feel like it would go crazy. I feel like it would go crazy. So we've been babysitting this for a minute. I feel like TSM can jump up to shit, who knows? Earnings, TSM could go to like, fuck around and go to like 180. You feel me? Fuck around and go to 180. If TSM goes to 180, we eating good. You know, if it hits 200, it's a wrap. Because I got a lot of positions on this shit. Now, if it drops and it disappoints, I'm cooked. You know, but today we did good. The members did good, right? UAL, United Airlines. That was a beautiful play. Yeah, TSM. I think TSM is gonna go, but that United. See, I was on live talking crazy, right? Well, not talking crazy. I was on live giving game, so I missed this. But here's free game. Whenever like a stock does incredibly well, just go back and watch what happened. You know what I mean? Go back and simply watch what happened and look for similar situations in the market. It's really that simple. It's really that simple. Watch what happens, right? In the case of United has been beating earnings quarter after quarter after quarter after quarter. Like in the last how many years? I think it's been a while. In the last like 8 years or so, they've only missed earnings maybe twice or 3 times. So this was like a, is it United or, yeah, United Airlines and United Health, right? So they beat. So with those odds of winning in your favor, if you get a price action set up like this, it's a no-brainer, man. It's a no-brainer. Look at United over here, right? The same setup that made me feel confident that this was going to go up was right here. So over here, you see a bullish engulfing signal, right? This was in February. You see this bullish engulfing bar. Bullish engulfing bar set up at support, and then United went up from 40 all the way to 46, right? Then it retraced, came back to that same zone and set up again. See what I'm saying? And then from here, you know, the rest is history. This was beautiful. So if we do a playback, let me do a playback. Do a playback. Nah, this is. Let me do a playback. I'm not going to stay on here too long. I just came to test out my sound and get some feedback. But look at the playback. So you see, it came. So in real time, that's what you're going to see. Okay, it came down close to the 200 moving average. It didn't break down. Then it tried to move up. It's going up, right? Then it dropped for whatever reason. Oh, Riot is probably gonna go further down. We're gonna look at Riot in a second. So you see, drop. But this whole time you are looking for a reason to get in, a bullish reason. So I'm sitting on the sidelines, and then, right, boom. Let's look at Riot. See, Riot, this is how Riot looks. The 8, like right here, like here, 774, exactly like where the market is right now, is a strong support. However, this will all depend on what Bitcoin does this weekend. If Bitcoin goes down due to the halving, Riot is gonna dip, possibly down to $5. Right? It's possible. Possibly down here. Yep. Maybe here. Yeah, 550. That's possible. It's possible because it's already dropping. So let's say if Bitcoin gets a shock and it drops from like 61,000 to, let's say, 52,000, Riot is going to $5. There's no question about that. So Riot doesn't have any support of its own right now. And especially with the halving, it directly impacts mining companies. Right? Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Oh, and they got earnings in May. So I mean, with Riot, what I tell folks is we already know that puts, I don't know about puts. I feel like if you were gonna get into puts, you should have gotten into puts up here, right? I don't like selling into support or buying into resistance. You feel me? So because it's oversold, right? So if you're looking at the RSI, if you look at my RSI at the top here, the RSI is bleeding. So it's very oversold already. So when it's oversold, you don't want to be selling into such a territory. But it's possible it goes down. But it will probably happen. Bitcoin will have to have it on the weekend, and by the time the market opens on Monday, you're probably not gonna catch the put unless you get in before, which is a risky play, But yeah, long-term wise, nothing changes. You just keep on buying. Same with Mara, right? So look at Mara. Same with Mara. I feel like Mara is gonna go to drop down to 12, 18. So around here, right? Around here. We were talking about this rejection here. Here, I should have bought puts, but I'd be conflicted, right? I'd be conflicted, but I should have bought puts here because we discussed it on one of the Zooms that it's likely going to drop. And then as you can see, it dropped and it broke below the 200 moving average right here. You see that? So there's the 200 moving average. It broke below it. And then it formed a bearish engulfing bar, right? Because it broke and it tried to retest. Let me enlarge it. Are y'all seeing it clear enough? Maybe I should have joined. You know what? Let me do that. Let me join the thing myself so I can see, because I want to see it from you guys' perspective. It's clear. All right. Yeah, so same thing with Mara. I feel like it's gonna drop here, but over here was opportunity to get in, like right here, right? Market broke below the trend, below the 200 moving average, like so, right? It broke below it. So this was the breakdown. Usually when this happens, it will try to go back up. And when it tried to go back up, that support is now turned into resistance. But this would have been the signal to get in on a put. This bearish engulfing bar. This bar engulfs this bar, this bar, this bar. So the break below this was a trigger to go down, right? So like right here, this broke, you're like, okay, you can buy a $17 put, $16 put, and you would have been making money from here to here, As you guys know, I don't do puts too much, but you get it. But yeah, that's all. I ain't trying to do too much tonight. I kind of wanted to test and see how the YouTube thing. I've never used it, right? I haven't even uploaded any videos or anything like that. I'm so lazy. I don't feel like doing it. like recording videos and stuff. I'm just gonna be doing live. If you catch it, you catch it, you know. But yeah. And then on Sundays and shit, I'll do a YouTube live. I'll still do the Zooms for the Discord, but I'll do some YouTube live to get my shit popping. But yeah, man, that's all I got. I appreciate y'all for helping me out, being the audience, the testing audience. I appreciate that. Anyway, I'm out. Catch y'all tomorrow. It's almost 1 a.m. Peace. How do I end this?